Hello, lovely crafters. Today, we're making this adorable multicolor flower coaster, the perfect way to brighten up your table or gift to someone special. It's fun, colorful, and beginner-friendly. All you need is a 2.5mm hook and 3mm yarn. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. Let's crochet some joy. For round 1, we'll start with a magic ring. Then repeat this pattern 10 times. Chain 2, double crochet, chain 1. Once done, join with a slip stitch. You're doing amazing. Tip: keep your stitches even for a neat circle. Moving to round 2, switch to your next color. Work only in the back loops. Repeat this 5 times, single crochet, chain 1. Then, in the next stitch, make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. Join with a slip stitch. Great job. Tip: this creates the petal structure, so don't rush. Enjoy the texture forming. On to round 3, chain 1 to start. Now repeat the following 5 times, SC, HDC, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, then make DC, teach 3, Celeste into same stitch, teach 3 DC, skip 1 stitch again, then HDC, SC, skip 3. Look how your flower is blooming. Tip: pull your chains gently so your petals look soft and airy. Round 4 is where the magic happens. In the petal space, crochet 3 unfinished double crochets together, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3. Repeat this 5 times. Fantastic progress. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track if needed. Now let's add some round texture. Repeat 15 times. Make 4 double crochets and then a chain. You've come so far. Tip: keep an even tension. This will help the coaster lay flat. Ready for some shaping? Repeat 15 times, chain 4, make 4 double crochets, then 2 double crochets again. You're doing great. Tip: adjust your hand position if your wrist feels tired. Now let's form the lacy edge. Repeat around. SC, CH4, skip 2 stitches, SC, and join with slip stitch. Almost there. Tip: the chain loops add a lovely, delicate finish. Final round. Repeat 30 times. SC, each H4, SC, each H2, SC, each H2, SC. You did it. Tip: block your coaster to keep its shape nice and flat. Let's add cute flowers. Chain 12, skip 3 chains, then make 9 foundation wave stitches. Finish with chain 3 and a slip stitch. Make 15 flowers like this and sew them on the coaster. So charming. Tip: mix colors to match your vibe. And that's it. Your multicolor flower coaster is ready. Isn't it just adorable? Don't forget to block it for a perfect finish. I hope you had fun crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to see your version of this project. Until next time, happy crocheting.